Granted, it may not look like much, but this wet heap of rock packs more than a few surprises.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great warm welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I will find my way, I can go the distance, I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to feel like I belong. Somehow I'll be strong. I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to find where I belong.
I have a heart, I swear I do, but just not baby when